Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you guys already know, I received my Melanin Hair Care Twist Elongating Style Cream. It's a lot of words. Melanin Hair Care's Twist Elongating Style Cream. And I love that it's no sulfates, no parabens, no mineral oils. It has shea butter and a lot of other natural oils in it. And in my box, I didn't get a lollipop, but I think it's because I didn't pre-order. But I did get a promotional card, and I got 16-ounce Melanin Hair Care Twisting Styling Cream. I haven't opened it yet, so we're going to see what it's like. I'm going to give my honest opinion. I was really excited about this video, so let's just hop right on into it. So off bat, let's just talk about the packaging. It's 16 ounces, and for this product alone, it was $16.99, but with shipping, it came to a total of $26 for me. Shipping alone was a little bit, I was a little iffy about it, but after you think about it, an 8-ounce bottle of this same product in stores is probably going to be roughly around $16 to $20. So I mean, you're getting a bang for your buck. Shipping is a little but you're getting 16 ounces for $16 if without the cost of shipping. I also love that you can build upon this product. I've heard many reviews saying that you can build upon it, you can do wash and go, so you can add gel on top of it or other oils, so that's really exciting. I love the colors, it's really clean cut. I love that it has the melanin on the side. I think that's dope. With a cute little cap, that's real cute. And I love how much product you get. It's 16 ounces, it's really not normal. It's usually 8 ounces for, something like this. So we're gonna open this thing. It smells like, you can definitely smell the cocoa butter. And I'm getting whiffs of the shea butter, so it smells natural. I will say, me personally, I do like a little bit of fragrance in my products. Not too much, but just a little bit, to where, if I'm walking past you and you just so happen to smell my hair, that's what's up. I like that. But it has a very natural smell, so that's nice. So let's just get on and try the product. On this style, I will be starting out on an old twist out. I didn't want to fully wash my hair, one, because it's not wash day, and two, when I do my hair and it's really wet, it just takes a really long time to dry, and nobody has time for that. So I'm just going to start on an old twist out. So nothing too different. I'm just putting my hair in 4 sections, and I'm just going to wet my hair just so that it's easier for me to work with. Then I'm going to detangle. First section is completely detangled. I'm just going to split this section in half. I'm going to do medium-sized twist because I want more of a wavy curl, not so much of a tight uniform curl, because I like big hair. So I'm going to detangle one more time. Make sure it's really detangled. You want to make sure when you're doing a twist out or any kind of style on your hair that your hair is really smooth, so you don't have as much frizz. Not going to take too much, but I am a little heavy-handed, so I'm just going to take about this size amount, about a dime size, rubbing this into my hands. I do feel like there is going to be a little bit of slip. Yep, there's a little bit of slip. I love that. I love how it's just melting into my hair. That's really nice. I am seeing a little bit of curl action going on, so that's nice too. Making sure that my hair is coated from roots to ends. Also, I'm not trying to add too much though, so it's kind of just getting a feel for what my hair likes. Now I'm going to brush with my diamond brush. Make sure the product is all throughout the section. I will say, maybe it's just my hair texture. I will say that this product does feel pretty lightweight. It's not too heavy. Usually you would think when you have so many butters in one product that is going to weigh your hair down, but my hair doesn't feel weighed down, so I do like that. And when I get to the bottom, I'm just going to twirl around my finger a couple times and let it fall. Now, usually when I do a twist out, I like to put oil in my hair just to seal in that moisture. And I'm just going to add a little bit of sweet almond oil. Don't pay attention to the front because the name of the brand got wiped off because I've had this oil for a couple months now and it's been mixed up with a whole bunch of other products, so that's why it looks like that. But it is sweet almond oil. The brand's name, I don't know. I'll probably have to look it up for you guys because I don't know. Okay, so now I've added my sweet almond oil. That's just one personal stuff that I want to do. My hair was already moisturized, but I have low porosity hair, so I could have moisturized hair today, and then my hair could be dry like tumbleweed tomorrow. So you never really know low porosity hair. Always a struggle. I love how my hair is just really curling up. It's really nice. Okay, Whitney. Natural 85. My twists do seem a little bit elongated, you know, that's nice. Getting drippy. Hold on, we get really drippy out here. Okay, so what? I just got a haircut. Even though that was in November, so my hair is actually going the way it should be. I always say I'm going to do medium-sized twists. Watch me have like 50 twists in my hair because I don't know how to chill out. So y'all know the steps basically. I'm just going to add some water to my section. Then add the product, comb it out with my dimming brush, and then twist. No, oop, I messed up. I'm going to add product, then add my sweet almond oil, and then twist. So I'm gonna go ahead and go off camera, finish this up, and I will come back towards the end. Okay, so I've sat on this dry for about 20 minutes now, and so I'm going to unravel these twists. So to help me out, I'm just going to clip my hair up so that I can separate as I go. I find that it's easier for me to separate as I go instead of waiting till the very end to separate, because I feel like when I do separate at the very end, it causes a lot of frizz for me. You take some oil. Same oil that I use to twist in my hair. I'm just going to spray it all throughout my twists just to make sure that my twists are nice and moisturized, and I still have some oil on my hands. So I'm going to start unraveling. So this is the final results. My hair is really defined. It's really soft and curly. You can go in with a pick if you so desire. I'm kind of leaning towards not going with my pick this time, only because I want my curls to last throughout the week. So if I had to rate this product on a scale of 1 to 10, I would give it an 8 out of 10. My only cons would be that the smell, and that's it. Everything else is pretty nice. You know, it did its job. You know, it helped to define my curls, and you know, I have some bit of a stretch, so that's nice. So I hope you've enjoyed this video with me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell. And I will see you in my next video. Peace.